You know what? We finna get massages up in here, up in here. I'm going in. Yes, this thing gave me my entire life. Yes. So this is the Ocean Breeze room where you can come and have your little private rendezvous hop, and you can have the sauna, the sauna and the jacuzzi and some steaming and a shower. I'm loving it. And after you've done your treatments, you come to the Ocean Breeze room. It's right outside. We were right here. Right here, and then you just come out here. And now we're gonna wait for our magnificent massages. Yes, get our massages now. Oh my goodness, this situation just keeps getting better and better and better. I'm loving it. Oh my God, y'all. My body and my face are so freaking happy right now. I just want to thank Mr. McSween for having us at this amazing spa, the Ocean Breeze at the JW Marriott. Yes, the J-Dub. Let me tell you something. I am so proud of this brother for having such an amazing business. Oh my God, the staff is so professional and sweet. Look at my face, y'all. Oh my God, I feel like a new woman. This was just amazing. And I really want to encourage you that if you have not been over here at the Ocean Breeze, the Med Spa at the J-Dub, you definitely need to book. Oh my God, seeing is believing. This is the best massage, maybe the best massages we've ever had. Definitely, by far, the best massage we've ever had in Panama. So we are raring to go. I mean to tell you, I am ready, I am recharged, and I am just so happy. Now I'm gonna go have me some dinner. Yeah.